RVs are notorious for high humidity and mold, and today we're going to take one more step to combat any possibility of humidity underneath our mattress. So what you see here is a Froli sleep system, and it's a modular system that you install underneath your mattress. There's these plastic pieces that you click all together and then you place it into where it's supposed to go. Once everything's in place, you just set your mattress right on top of it. And what the system does is it allows air to flow underneath the mattress in between the platform and the mattress itself to prevent any humidity and mold from occurring, which is a very common place for mold to happen within an RV. So I'm going to slowly unbox everything that we have in this system. This is a installation tool. It's just basically a way to push the plastic pieces into place. Then we have a couple of different boxes here. There are several pieces that are included in these kits. The first one is a base element, and these will all snap together and it will lay out a grid along the platform of the bed. And once those are all put together, these will snap into place like this and just turn on. And these are what the mattress will actually sit on top of. And you have some dark ones and you have some lighter ones, and the darker ones are a little bit more rigid than the lighter blue ones, and the lighter blue ones they say you put under like your shoulder area. Then there are some tension pieces that you can use to make these a little bit more firm. We're actually probably not going to use these pieces. And then when you take and you connect these pieces together, you'll see there are 3 different openings here where this connector can go into, and the farther that they are away from each other, the less firm that it is. The closer that they are together, the more firm that the mattress is going to be when it's sitting on top of there. We're probably going to put ours into the middle section here just to keep it medium firm. We don't want it too firm, we don't want it too saggy. Now we have a queen bed, and so the second box just contains more of the parts that you need in order to get a full-size queen bed onto this Froli system. It comes with pretty detailed instructions, even though it's relatively simple, on how to put this together, and we're just going to start laying this out, get everything put together. So once you get this all laid out, and we've just got the top section done so far, take your blue stars, and all you're really doing is you're just taking these, pushing them on, and then turning them half a turn. So you can see I have this whole upper section done, and I did 2 rows of the dark blue, 2 rows of the lighter blue, which are the little softer ones for the shoulder area, and then I'll start with the darker blues again. Brinkley has put in these boards underneath here which allow some airflow through as well, and we're not going to mount this upper part to that because we don't really want to squish that board down either, but once we get into this press board here, because this lifts up, we want to mount that so that the Froli system won't move around when we lift the mattress up to get to the storage underneath. And then also I stopped right at this line where the hinge is so that when we lift up the mattress to get underneath to the storage underneath the bed, that we don't really bend on those devices, and there's just a nice little gap in there, which is not much further than what the gap is between the stars that are on here. So now that I have this base all set out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some short screws and just in various spots add some screws to make sure that this base doesn't move when we lift the mattress up to get to storage. Then I'll continue putting on the blue stars and we'll be able to get the mattress on here and see what it looks like. So now that the Froli system is totally installed on the bed, the only thing we have to do is put the mattress back on, make the bed, and we should be good to go. So now that the bed's put together, the only real difference is that the bed is raised a little bit off of the platform, but what I am going to show you is I put a light in at the headboard and you can see all the way through. That shows that there's a gap between the platform and the mattress. So it's just one other way for us to combat mold within the RV. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. Until we see you again, safe travels.